Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile. So if you recently downloaded and installed the Threads app, you might have noticed this badge on your profile. So whether you want a clean look or simply want to understand the process, we've got you covered. So let's get started. So you'll need to open the Threads app into your account and redirect it into your Instagram app. You'll need to access your Instagram profile. You can tap onto the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, right under your username, you'll see a Threads badge. So that indicates your association with the Threads app. So you'll just need to tap onto that badge to view more information about it. So under the Threads badge information, you have two options. You can view the Threads profile to explore your Threads activity or choose Hide Badge to remove it from your profile. So if you decided to hide the badge, a confirmation message will appear and it will inform you that once removed, the badge cannot be added back to your profile. So to proceed with removing the Threads badge, tap on Remove Badge and the badge will be removed from your Instagram profile, providing a cleaner look. Keep in mind that the Threads badge is temporary. It is a strategy approach by Meta to encourage Instagram users to engage with the Threads app. Meta aims to promote the Threads app and attract users from Instagram to join their new platform. And that's how you can easily remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile. So whether you want a clean profile or simply prefer not to display the badge, now you know the steps. So if you've liked this information, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and feel free to leave questions onto the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.